Hi guys, welcome to lesson 4. In this case, we are going to use some references from people and some references from animation. As you can see, there are some features that are present in the pictures that are represented later in fictional characters. For example, the first one is usually associated with nerds, the second one with sporty people, and the third one with goths. Some of the features that you can see here are shared with the characters below. Let's see the first example, the glasses and the nerd look. In the second one, the sport elements are also represented. In the third one, we can see a look with dark colors and something similar to evil eyes, despite not being actually an evil person or character, just a serious expression. And, well, with all this, I created 3 characters beforehand that I'm going to analyze, and also I'm going to generate some expressions for them so that you can see what I mean. Later on, we're going to create 3 characters more thoroughly. This way, you'll see that we can create good characters without much difficulty. In any case, I did these drawings beforehand so that I can explain this better to you. So, we are not going to focus on the expressions until later. For now, I'm just going to make some drawings, taking into account all the things I told you before. It's like having a stereotype, which in the first example would be a geek student, a know-it-all person. For example, I'm going to highlight the glasses, a well-combed hairstyle. There's also the dental braces, which in recent history have often been related to nerd people, right? Actually, I don't know why. Maybe it's because they are not so aesthetic and are just an excuse to laugh at nerds' characters, as well as the glasses, right? It's very common in series and in movies, as you can see. Yeah, but as I said, I don't know why. Okay, so the head of the characters is almost done, which I developed according to the features we talked about before. Now we are going to do the body. As you can see, I'm referencing the images above a lot. Please note that the pocket and the pants are a must, as well as the bow tie. Why? Well, because who doesn't go to school like this, right? These characters often carry things that are useful for studying, like pens and calculators. They have an impeccable appearance and wear clean clothes. Well, you know the drill, right? So let's do the second character. I'm going to draw a student, but he will be a sporty student. What do I need to include? Obviously, sport stuff. That towel over the neck is of note. We could also draw a ball and a short, dynamic hair. The fresh appearance of a sporty person and an active posture that conveys the idea that this character likes sports. Okay, now I'm going to draw him flexing his arm. Okay, yeah, this a kid flexing his arm, right? Okay, let's go to the third character. This would be a goth girl, and I'm going to draw her with a "don't talk to me" expression, because, well, she hates the world, she hates life. I'm also going to draw a long dress and a lazy posture, which gives some contrast to the previous one. And now it's time to begin with expressions. As I told you before, I created some characters beforehand that I want to show you. And here they are. They are inspired by these reference images. Now, what I'm going to do is match this character to their references, and I'm going to show you their features before moving on to the expressions. Well, as you can see, these are easily recognizable. The cherries are cheerleaders because I thought it was fun like this. Here we have a goth onion. Right, here's sporty broccoli. I chose a broccoli because it was suitable for the design I had in mind. And oddly enough, broccoli is good for athletes, right? So it matches. Lastly, we have unearthed radish. It even has a calculator, watch, glasses and braces. Okay, and in the next lesson, we are going to see the expressions. See you there!